Hello everybody, welcome back to KantanFood by Satoshi. Did you get TabiEats summer care package? Thank you so much. Inside of that package, there is a curry pack like this. Today, I'm gonna be making Japanese curry using this curry pack. But we already show how to make curry, the basic curry. Yes, the recipe is written on the back side of this package. I'm sorry, it's Japanese. But we showed already in TabiEats video. Today, I'm gonna be making this curry much tastier using some secret ingredients. And it's still summer. I'm gonna be making summer vegetable curry. Of course, it's vegan. You can make it not vegan, use chicken meat or pork meat or beef meat. But this curry is vegan, so I'm gonna be making vegan curry. So let's get started. So these are today's ingredients. Vegetables, eryngii mushroom. It is called trumpet mushroom in the United States, I heard. Onion, it's about 50 grams or 60 grams. 1 clove of garlic, quarter of bell pepper, and 3 okra, 1 eggplant, and half of zucchini. Of course, I'm gonna use this curry roux, half of this package. So let's start the preparation. First, I'm gonna cut eryngii mushroom. I'm using this eryngii mushroom instead of meat. The texture is like meat, so cut like chicken meat or pork meat like this. And onion. So cut into like this, wedge style. This one is very small onion. I like this because it is easy to use. But so it's not just wedge. I cut into half like this. So each piece is like this. Next, zucchini. I'm using half zucchini. So cut into like this. Okay, it's very simple. Inside it's very beautiful color. Okay, and bell pepper. This is for color, so I'm gonna cut like this. Show this red color, vivid red color. And eggplant. I'm gonna cut off this part and cut like zucchini. Same as zucchini, like this. Okay. If you leave eggplant as it is inside the air, the color will change immediately. So, to prevent color changing, put this inside of water, like this. And okra. This one, the surface, it has fur. So, to remove the fur, sprinkle some salt and do like this. It helps remove the fur. Okay, so then rinse it. Then cut off this part. This part is a little firm, so I cut out and cut like this. Okay. Looks nice, beautiful. And the last ingredient is this 1 clove of garlic. I'm gonna slice it and chop it. I like garlic, so if you don't like garlic taste, you don't have to use it. I love garlic. Okay, the preparation has done. Let's start cooking. So before cooking, make sure to take eggplant out from the water. So in a pot, pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil and put garlic here and turn on the heat. Okay, start sizzling the aroma. This smell is really good. I love garlic. Really love garlic. This smell makes me very, very happy. Now, this kitchen is filled with garlic smell. Okay, the color is slightly changing. It's good. Already it's good. So here, put onion and stir fry until the surface become a little bit brown. Also, it's very nice aroma. Okay, the surface become a little bit brown, so it's time to put other vegetables. I put eryngii mushroom and zucchini and eggplant. Make sure to remove excess water of eggplant. It is a little dangerous. It's pop, pop, pop. You know, the oil. And stir fry nicely. So, it's coated with oil. Then, today the first secret ingredient, it's tomato juice. 200 ml of tomato juice I'm using instead of water. And bring to a boil and simmer until the zucchini becomes softer. Little softer, not totally soft. Okay, it's simmered. So, zucchini, it's okay. So, once turn off the heat and pour 150 ml of water and put half package of curry roux and mix it. Then turn on the heat again, low heat, and simmer about 10 minutes. Once it become a boil, I will put okra and bell pepper inside. And of course, the secret ingredients. Okay, it is boiling. So here, put bell pepper and okra and continue to simmer. And here's my today's secret ingredients. This is half teaspoon of instant coffee. This is quarter teaspoon of chili pepper and black pepper. There are a variety of secret ingredients, not only these three. You can use oyster sauce, Worcestershire sauce, tonkatsu sauce, or chocolate, mayonnaise, or ketchup if you like. Not only these three, but today I don't want to add any salt inside anymore, so I'm using these three ingredients. And of course I want to keep this one vegetarian or vegan. If you put chocolate, sometimes chocolate use milk. So make sure I sprinkle instant coffee and chili pepper and black pepper. Then mix it. If you think it's too less, please add more. So let's taste a little bit. It's good. This curry roux is a little bit sweet, so chili pepper and black pepper are working very well, and it has a richness from the instant coffee. So it is ready. Let's pour over rice. Looks beautiful. Yeah, aroma of vegetables are pretty nice. Of course, this roux is already really good. Okay, my today's summer veggie curry is ready. So, いただきます。I love curry. I love vegetables. This is perfect curry for me. Zucchini, okra, eggplant, and bell pepper. Every vegetable looks very nice and smells so good. いただきます。This vegetable flavor is pretty nice. And I put this bell pepper at the end. Why? Because I want to enjoy this texture. still retained crispiness. And of course, I want to enjoy the color. This okra has still beautiful green color. The secret ingredients are working pretty nice. I use tomato juice because this curry roux is a little bit sweet because this one is using koji. It's a koji makes the sweetness. It's like a amazake. I add tomato juice. It has a tanginess or sourness. So it has sweetness and tanginess. And coffee gives a good richness. Pepper, chili pepper, make this curry more spicier. In hot summer days, the spicy curry is really good. So please check our TabiEats summer care package. It's until August 31st. Only 5 days left. So hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let us know what you thought in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next delicious video. Bye bye.